Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 3 of La Huasteca Potosina.
Thank you. De nada. We have about an hour drive from Ciudad Valles, where we were staying, to our first stop of Puente de Dios. So we actually are hitting up 2 waterfalls today. I guess Puente de Dios, yeah, it does have a waterfall. It's called Puente, is like bridge.
God's Bridge.
God's Bridge. We're going to God's Bridge. You'll see why they call it that in a moment when we arrive. We debated which one we were going to see first, but we're going to start farther out and then work our way back. Puente de Dios is slightly further than Cascada Tomasopo. I was saying Tamasopo. Tamasopo. So, yep, the 2 waterfalls today. Let's get our little road tripping on.
A quick Spanish lesson. If you see on the highway a road that says Cuota, that's going to be a toll road. And Libre is going to be a freeway, so you don't got to pay. But usually the Cuotas are faster.
Looks like we're coming up on the toll booth. It's expensive. $150.
Tamasopo. Entrar en la próxima caseta para que le devuelvan 65 pesos.
Oh, gracias.
La próxima. Gracias.
Probably the most expensive toll that we've paid in Mexico, period, ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, even in Ensenada, I think the most expensive one we paid was like 49 or something. That toll was 150. They give you a little ticket so that if you're not going, I guess, so far, maybe.
Yeah.
If you're not going all the way to Rio Verde, they will give you back 75? 65? 65. So, just don't lose your ticket, guys. I mean, where would you lose it?
So that makes it
flies
what?
out the car like this.
Well, guys, we've arrived here in the town of Tamasopo, and this is the region where we're gonna find our waterfalls, Puente de Dios, Tamasopo waterfalls. Even Tamul is considered to be in the Tamasopo area. You can stay here in the Tamasopo town too. There are some hotel options. There are not as many as Ciudad Valles, but if you wanted to stay closer to these waterfalls, you could definitely do that. But this road, though, surrounded by all the trees and jungle, it's super cool.
So we parked in there, back there somewhere.
Alright guys, you can park here and parking is 30 pesos. And then he said when we get to the entrance, it's gonna be a...
Oh no, we're gonna cry. Órale, órale, te espera. Our little friend in the background, guys.
Right there.
So guys, they do have lots of little stands up here, stalls selling either handcraft or things to prepare you for your water activities. The phone protectors, they have life jackets that you can rent up here as well. But I think we're just gonna rent them downstairs if they force us to do it. But from what we've read on all the blogs and vlogs, they do require you to wear a life jacket and it's mandatory. They have food up here, they have everything you can think of, drinks, snacks, and a bathroom in case you're like Javier and have a tiny little bladder.
I just drank a full pot of coffee. That's normal. Just follow the signs. Gotta cross some tracks.
Paid 50 each, so we paid about $5 for both of us. We have arrived, guys. Almost there. Seriously, everything is just so freaking beautiful. So we made it down. It can be easy to get lost. There are a couple different paths you can take, so just pay attention to the signs. But now the goal is to get down there. So from above, you can see that the current is pretty strong. At first, when I've seen other vlogs, I was like, why do they have those ugly ropes there? But they're for your own safety because the current looks pretty strong. But this is beautiful. All right, guys, so they do have lockers. So if you do bring more stuff than necessary, like we always do, you can leave them here checked in. So hopefully there's someone here at all times because we have some equipment in our bags, you know, but let's go ahead and leave our stuff so we can jump in the water. Stuffing all our stuff in the lockers. So there are quite a bit of people, but look at that. Are you ready? I bet this water is going to be so cold.
It just looks cold.
It does, like the blue, the iciness of it. And then there's no light shining through. So it's actually quite beautiful the way the light like hits the trees. Maybe when it's like right above us, the sun will be shining through, but I doubt it has enough time to warm up the water. Bombs away. Is the current that strong? Grab that one. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Yay! How strong is that current though?
Pretty strong.
Yeah?
Hey, but the water is nice.
It's not cold?
It's not freezing, no.
Okay, so it's not freezing, but it's cold.
No, it's not cold. It's nice. Woo-hoo-hoo! You did it! Grab onto the rock.
The way this works is it's God's bridge, so it's supposed to be a bridge to the other side. I think that's what it means. That's my interpretation of it. So that's my interpretation of it. But you have this entire side. The current is very strong. But we're gonna float through with the current, and it's gonna take us to another little pool.
Yeah.
So
it's a really small little cave. Looks super mystical. Awesome. Let's go.
Woo, floating with the current. This is so freaking cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tiny.
Yeah.
I don't think I fit.
Yeah, you do.
Oh man, this is awesome. Look.
Ooh. Oh shit. I don't think you can even see right.
So cool though. So if you're not that great of a swimmer or you just want to relax and hang out, use the cord as your buoy. Javier is obsessed with jumping, guys, so he's gonna jump. So there's a point where after you exit the cave on the other side, you can float around in the little pool, but then you can't continue down the river in the water. You have to get out and walk along the rocks. We're gonna continue walking down on the rocks to see how far it goes. We're gonna try to jump in the river right here in this area. The current doesn't look very strong, and I think we're gonna let it just take us for a little bit. It's not so rocky anymore. You just gotta get past this rocky area, and then it looks like a nice, beautiful, relaxing float. Let's float the river, baby. Oh, it's strong. Yeah, oh my butt. Oh, I got stuck in the cord actually. I got you.
Bam.
What happened?
I got him.
Oh, there's a rope there. Huh.
There's a rope. So you can't go. It caught me. So that cord will catch you, but you have to be very careful because if your neck were to like go under because it pulls you hard. So maybe this isn't the smartest thing, guys. Take the rock. Okay, and we're gonna let it take us again. Look at how it just like stops over there. Oh, look at the leaves falling. Oh. Floating the river, guys. Oh, look at how clear this. Whoa! exaggeration. I'm trying to remember of a time in my life where I've seen water this clear, and this is probably the clearest I've ever seen. Pops, what do you think?
Yes, I agree.
But we're gonna go back, we're gonna head back, enjoy a little bit more of Puente de Dios. Let's head back for now.
So guys, after you cross the cave, we definitely recommend, if you can, walk a little bit farther along the rocks and get inside the river when the current slows down. Beautiful.
Definitely tons of people now. So, yeah, you guys are trying to avoid the crowds. Come early because all the tour groups are here now. So guys, there are tons of people at this time. It's about 12:30, but still one of my favorite experiences so far. There's Javier.
All right guys, we worked up one hell of an appetite. Let's go find some grub. This looks really good, guys. I got the enchiladas Huasteca. I saw Huasteca on the menu, so I decided why not? It's a local thing. And they're just enchiladas stuffed with egg, with a green sauce, and then on the side, cecina. Cecina is just a thin little skirt steak.
And I went with the enchiladas potosinas. Yes. All right, guys, we have arrived at Cascada de Tomasopo.
Tamasopo.
Tamasopo. I have no idea where the emphasis on the A or the O. Tamasopo. This one, it looks like it's a little busier than we would have hoped, but this one is set up more as an actual park. I mean, they're all kind of parkish, but this one has like large parking areas, restaurants. This one is a bit more regulated and the most expensive. We paid 80 per person here and then 50 for the car and parking. I think it's not too bad, but it does look a little busier. Let's just make our way inside and see what the fuss is all about, because this is one of the popular ones. But then again, they're all popular, so let's go check it out. So guys, there seems to be a lot that they offer here. Tons of restaurants. We're probably gonna grab a michelada right now. I saw some, but we gotta go see what it's all about first. But plenty of amenities. Awesome.
I saw a sign for lockers, so we're gonna go put our stuff in the lockers and have some fun. Well, we found the lockers, but apparently they're only available till 4:30 and it's 4 o'clock now, so 30 minutes really isn't worth it.
Right behind us we have the main waterfall. This is probably the deepest part that you can swim in, but life jackets are mandatory. But it's so cool, you can like swim from that rope. In the farther end on that side you have a more family-friendly area. There's tons of suspension bridges, obstacle courses. They have a couple restaurants with seating area. So this place is really run like a water park.
Yeah.
So family-friendly, perfect.
Just to add, keep in mind that we are here on a Tuesday at around 4 o'clock, and there are quite a few people here. So I think this place has people year-round, all the time. And
just come with the expectation that you're not going to have this serene, natural experience. Yeah. This is a water park. Yeah. And tons of family, tons of people, but it's fun. Yeah. Like, I could imagine spending an entire day here. It could be fun. Sure. So, let's go ahead and jump in, yeah?
Do it.
Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
Javier definitely had more fun than I did. But it's really nice. Yeah, honestly I don't even care for it, so it's fine. But it did start, the sun started setting and it's cooled down a bit. It's still really nice. So I think it would be best if we close this vlog out with a drink.
Oh yeah.
A little refresher.
I think we've done that every single day. Joanne's food looks incredible.
Oh. Hey, come to mama.
We're gonna leave you guys with some shots of our food, but we're gonna call it a close right here because tomorrow is actually our last day here in La Huasteca Potosina, and we're heading to the waterfall. We gotta be up really early tomorrow, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. Cheers. See you in the next one, guys.